Mohit, welcome to E-Times TV.
Oh, I'm glad. Thank you for having me.
Last आपने पवित्र भाग्य किया था and like were you upset कि वो जल्दी offer हो गया?
Yeah, I was upset. Undoubtedly, I was upset. Also, we had shot for like around 13-14 episodes, which never aired. It never came on TV, and those 13-14 episodes, क्योंकि हमें ना एक भनक मिल चुका था कि शायद हमारा शो ऑफ एयर जा सकता है. तो for those 14 episodes, all the crew members, all the cast people, the entire crew, the entire team was putting in more than 100% effort. You know, they were giving in their heart, their soul, their energy, their everything. The blood and sweat was put in those 14 episodes. It never really aired. You know, so it was a little upsetting. It did put us down a little because हमें phone भी एक random day हमें call आया and we were told कि like 3 दिन के अंदर show is going off air. Right? So it was very heartbreaking. And but the good thing is I'm someone who likes to find the good things out of everything. What I realized that I found a new family. You know, I'm very close to Yatin. I'm very close to Aneri. I'm very close to Kunal Bhai. Okay, Kunal Bhai's wife Bharti. I'm very close to her. I realized that I found a new family of beautiful people. Balki, such a great. She was a showrunner in that show. She's such a beautiful human being. Yeah, she's such a beautiful human being. And Dadi, Vivaji, she's great. Yeah. So I'm just glad that even if it did not go well for a long time, but I did find a lot of people, which is great.
Like once you are secure, you know that you have this show, you're working on this show, and suddenly it's called off air and all, and you are like, does it get insecure for a bit?
Insecure, I don't know. I'm not somebody who gets insecure. That from the starting of times, मुझे बचपन से ही सिखाया गया था that insecurity is a very bad thing, and you should not be insecure about anything in life. So insecurity, I don't know, but it was a little upsetting. I did have that fear for a short span of time. कि अब क्या? Now what? We try to do a show, it didn't work out. What next? What if I do not get work for the next so many months? Plus, we just have the COVID ka whole scenario going on. We know that shoots are getting called off. We know a lot of shows are going off air. We know that abhi naye projects aa bhi nahi rahe jaldi. Now what? So that fear for I think for maybe a fortnight was there. Then uske baad I think even that faded away. It was like, as long as you're doing everything that you can, something or the other will find its way and will come to you. As my job is to work hard, my job is to hustle, my job is to give auditions. If it has to happen, if I fit the role, I will get another job. If it doesn't, if things don't work out, I know I can go back to Calcutta and handle my dad's business. Right? So that insecure thing is not there, but thoda dar baitha for 2 weeks in.
And how was your experience working with Patiala Babes? Even that had to be axed because of lockdown.
Yeah, so I was not part of season 2 for Patiala Babes. I was only in the season 1, and I am forever grateful to Rajita ma'am for this. She gave me such a beautiful character. Mickey was, I love Mickey. Okay, that character that I played, I loved that character because he was the cheerful guy in that entire, every time somebody went sad, every time there was a sad scene, it was Mickey that would lift the audience back up. Okay, don't get upset, everything's gonna be fine, Mickey's here, right? And though Mickey's character was not in the leads, but it was such an important character that people called his name, along with the leads. So I'm forever grateful to Rajita ma'am for that. And I remember when I when season 1 जब खत्म हुआ था, and she asked me if I would want to continue, and by then something had happened and things were not working. I had got some other work and dates नहीं मिल रहे थे because I had just bagged a different show and dates नहीं मिल रहे थे, and we mutually agreed, and Rajma was like, fine, the next show, make sure I'm going to just be ready for the call because I'm going to audition you for my next show. So I said, perfect, I'm going to do your next show, I'm going to do it for the same rate if required, but keep me part of it. So yeah, it is great work because Rajita ma'am ka writing is kick-ass. Her writing is too good. Patiala Babes is the fab show. It's a beautiful show. I have been recognized in London because Patiala Babes. I'm not even making this up. Mera custom clearance was easy because of Mickey's character. I'm not making this up. I'd gone for Never Kiss Your Best Friend in London, and I remember I had just landed and I was clearing the thing. You're Mickey from Patiala, right? I said yes. So it's maddening, being recognized in like a different place altogether. That was London. People love Patiala. It was maddening. It was maddening. So I'm forever grateful. Also, I've worked with some really cool actors. Paradeep, what an actor. Ashnoor, she's taught me so much. Anirudh, Ani Bhai, I have learned so much from him. I remember we used to share the room. I mean, he had his own room, but I used to be sitting with him all the time. And we used to talk. We had mad. So yeah, loved my journey in Patiala Babes also. I'm someone who really enjoys all his journey. I'll be very honest. मतलब मैं ऐसा हूँ ना कि मुझे जहाँ आप डाल दो ना, मैं 2-3 दिन के बाद I'll be one of them. Yeah.
So Patiala Babes has been one of our turning points.
It has been. I think so. It was upsplits करने के बाद for 1 year I had not done anything. I was just enjoying the fame that I was getting from Splitsvilla, because the fan base is maddening. People love Splits. People worship Splitsvilla, and I do not get the logic behind this. I have gone on to so many interviews saying मैं कुछ खास नहीं किया. I've just gone to a dating reality show. I've not done something great, right? And for that 1 year, but life was good. I was doing events back to back. I was just traveling. It was good life. Then I realized कि यार Splitsvilla season 11 भी आएगा. फिर नए Splitsvillans होंगे. Then your time's gonna come to an end. It's about time you get some job. And that's when I got a call one day saying, hello Mohit. I said, yeah. Reema had called me. She was the casting woman for this. She said, we want to test you for a role for this show called Patiala Babes. I said, okay, what's the character like? I said, have you seen Bittu Sharma? I said, which film? She said, the one where Ranveer Singh eats bread pakode. I said, yes. Yeah, I want you to go watch that film, and I want you to do a scene exactly like him tomorrow. I said, fair enough. And rest is history. I watched that film twice that night, and I went and gave an audition. History. It was history after that. What a show.
So what was your audition like, Patiala Babes?
It was a normal script, and it was about this typical Delhi boy, what Ranveer Singh had played in Band Baja Barat. A typical Delhi boy. He doesn't filter what he says. It's all there in his mouth. Whatever's here is here. And he's a very fun, comical kind of a guy, and he thinks कि दुनिया की सारी लड़कियां उसकी दीवानी है, जबकि उसे पटती कोई नहीं है, right? He just thinks no end of himself, but at the same time he's a softie by heart. So that was the character, and I remember getting my scene and like, Mickey, कैसी बातें कर रही है? So that was the tone, and it was just fun. Playing a Delhi guy is always fun. It's always fun because there's so much color to a Delhi character, na? That was Mickey's character. Mickey would wear all the branded stuff, but he would not know how to wear it. Like he would wear red t-shirt with yellow pants. Though it's branded, he doesn't know how to wear it. That was Mickey. It was fun. Yeah.
So coming from Kolkata, staying in Mumbai and playing the Delhi guy.
I do not know how. I do not know how. A lot of people tell me this. They ask me, "Are you from Delhi?" They don't believe me when I say I'm from Calcutta. I just don't know why. I just throw a lot of. I think I have a lot of Delhi vibe in me because most of my friends are from Delhi, and I think I love the whole Delhi vibe. Oh, yes, I do. I like that vibe. So maybe that's what has stayed with me. And Mickey's character had stayed with me for a long time. Mickey's character, it was very difficult for me to start talking normally again. After playing Mickey, I had become very, very much like Mickey. So yeah. Then I got to play Kabir. Kabir was I've always played a thing, yeah. I always played a badass guy or a stud guy. I never played a nice guy. Like a Bhondu Ram. So I don't want to play that once.
Like you said, Splitsvilla karke like you gain popularity and all. How much reality is there in these dating reality shows? Because people tend to believe, and then off-screen social media pe hum dekhte that you guys are all friends and all happy. Everything is happy in paradise. If you can share your experience.
मैं आपको सच बोलूं, आप मानोगे? मैं सच, I swear I will not lie. If you ask me so many questions, does it come across like I'm lying? No. I'll be very honest with you. It is very much real. It is very much real. The problem is, हम वो shoot करते हैं, suppose करो जून में, it airs in September or August. So we've had that 2-3 months of gap where we come and talk to each other and be like, कि यार छोड़ दे यार, जो हुआ, let's forget. मिट्टी पाओ जो हुआ past पे. So by that time we all become friends. Now 3 months is a lot of time, and 1 month you're stuck in a villa where you're not in contact with anybody. You're bound to get attracted to somebody. You're bound to get irritated with somebody. Is that man? Big Boss आप ले लो. Big Boss is a little more confined, but Splitsvilla में भी ऐसे ही है. You're doing tasks which are couple related. You are spending your time in a villa where you're not allowed to talk to anybody apart from your contestants, and you're doing tasks which are couple like, and you have to vote somebody out, and there's a lot of. So you get attracted to somebody. That people who the problem is that people who are in Splitsvilla, the contestants, they tend to feel that they're in love, and I knew it from day one that this is not love. I'm getting attracted to somebody for sure because I'm staying in a place like that, which tends to, I'm not meeting anybody from the outside world. I don't have my phone. I don't have any distraction. I only have you to look at. So I will, probably get attracted to people. प्यार नहीं है. यहाँ पे लोग गलती करते हैं. They think they're in love, and when they come out to meet the real people, they meet the other things, the other factors जो आप लोग usually camera पे नहीं रखते. When you meet the other person, you see their lifestyle, you see their friends, and that's when the real issues start. So when things don't work out, people think यार ये लोग तो fake कर रहे थे. जबकि it's not that. We all very much real there. At least I was. मेरे जितने झगड़े थे वो real थे. मेरे जितने connections थे वो real थे. It wasn't love. I had said this even in the show that यार नहीं, I just feel I'm attracted to you. I like you as a person. Today I'm great friends with them. Today I'm really good friends with them, and so is Teddy.
So do we ever see you अगर Big Boss offer किया जाए तो will you do it?
यार मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मैं सच बताऊं, मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा. मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा. मैं रो दूंगा. मैं ऐसा बंदा हूं ना, मुझे ना ये ये तू ये मैं I can't handle it. I'm somebody who likes to really chill in life, and I'm somebody who जो बहुत easy going है, जो हंसी मजाक पे ज़्यादा रहता है. मुझसे jokes करवा लो, जितना हंसी मजाक करवाना करवा लो. मैं सबको हंसाते रहूंगा. तो मैं लड़ाई झगड़े के सीन पर मैं आता ही नहीं है. मैं रो दूंगा. मैं रोज बाथरूम में जाके रो रहा हूँ. बिकॉज़ मुझे निकालो, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. Because I cannot deal with that angle and with that creating content. बार मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा यार. I cannot. Hats off to all those contestants who go to Big Boss. यार, it is. I mean, once you come out, you need to definitely go for the therapy. You have to go for the therapy after that. How do you survive there? My God.
So इसके बाद
Yeah.
क्या, like do we see you in TV or like you'll move to the digital space?
For now, on the 21st, you'll see me doing a music video, which is releasing on the 21st. उसके बाद यार, honestly, I had wanted to do something like, you know, TV, web, music video, TV, web, music video, TV. मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था. I wanted to be on all spaces, right? मुझे films अभी venture करना नहीं है, to be very honest. I don't want to venture films now because I just don't want to. I'm not ready for films yet. But yes, web and TV both I wanted to, and I wanted to do it side by side. So I have been auditioning. I have been having a few meetings, but this industry is like that. Things can change last minute, so I'm just waiting for the positive calls. Fingers crossed. But there are things lined up. So there's just hope things fall in place, and you know that I'm at the right place at the right time, and things work out.
Mohit, if you can tell us about how was your childhood in Kolkata, and then how did you shift to Mumbai to pursue career in acting?
So yeah, my childhood, I'm from a family that is very, 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 very much like me. You know, we are very chilled out people. हमें simple, हम सिंधी लोग हैं. हमारे लिए business सब कुछ है, ठीक है. And at the same time, our respect matters a lot, but we are also very chilled out people. And I had everything. I will never say that I come from a very, you know, like a family that was going through a lot of hardships. No, we've, like every other family, we've had hardships, but as kids, our parents, our extended family never let us feel it. There were probably bad days for us, but हम बच्चों कभी वो feeling नहीं दिखा. You know, we always got whatever we wanted. हमें अगर कुछ भी चाहिए, अगर उसी वक्त चाहिए तो उसी वक्त मिलता था. And I was handling my dad's business by I think when I was back in 2015, 14 or 15, I started handling my dad's business. I was doing it. I did it for good 2-3 years, and my brother's friends and my friends, they told me, "What are you doing here? You know, you're such a good-looking guy." And back then in Calcutta, you know, you've not seen how many good-looking people are there in the city. Bombay has a lot of good-looking people. Yeah, back in Calcutta, we just know selected few good-looking people. You know, and you know, you're such a good-looking guy. You speak so well, and you know, and I've been someone who's always acting. Who's always acting? Like I'm talking, I'm acting. You know, I'm always someone who's very, very expressive. So they were like, you know, what are you doing here? You're wasting your time here. Go to Bombay. Make use of your face. What are you gonna do here? And I was like, I'm not sure. You know, it's gonna be difficult. There are a lot of actors there. Blah blah. Here, I spoke to my dad about it, and my dad was like, give it a shot. Give yourself a time frame कि इस साल एक साल के अंदर if you can do it well and good, if you cannot, you come back. You have the business set, do it. I was like, okay, but are you sure? He said, I'm ready to invest in you for a year. If in 1 year you can give me returns, which is going to be good because we'll have a different source of income coming from the other side. Sindhi. He thought Sindhi mindset. He said, "He wants to कमाएगा, extra पैसा आएगा." So he said, as long as my investment pays off, I'm great. 1 year, I'm ready to finance you for a year. If 1 year के अंदर you cannot, you come back. And I remember I came down to Bombay. I was supposed to be staying with a friend, but he bailed out on me last minute. I've said this in a lot of interviews, so I'm not going to bore you by saying this. But yeah, he bailed out on me last minute, or I was staying in a PG. I was stuck in a PG for 3 months, and it was bad. It was बहुत ही खराब PG था यार वो. मतलब people were nice, people were very nice, but you know, staying in that dormitory where staying in a room with 12 other people with just one fan and one table fan, it was mad. So that 3 months, I knew that I have to really get work fast because I have to, you know, give back all the money that I've taken from my dad. So जितना मेरे से कम होता था, I used to cut down my expenses. I used to have my lunch at the dhaba for 80 rupees. 80 रुपए का थाली मिलता था, mixed veg थाली. I used to have that, and I just told him कि पापा एक चीज मैं compromise नहीं करूँगा, and that is party. He said okay. So every Saturday I was out partying, and my PG used to shut at 1 o'clock in the night, and used to open at 5. And there were times when I used to finish my parties at 3 and I had nowhere to go. I used to go to the Versova beach and I used to sleep there. 1-2 घंटे के लिए मैं beach पे सोता था. 5 बजे उठ के I used to go back to the PG. So yeah, those 4 months was great. Yeah, the 4 months, and then I bagged Splitsvilla, and my life has been touchwood. It's been good since then. So nothing to complain about.
And thank you so much for giving your time to us. Really appreciate.
Thank you for having me here, man.